Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a really quick craft for Christmas, how to make these really cute Christmas tote bags using decoupage. So what you'll need for these tote bags to make them is some tote bags. I bought these ones, these little Hessian ones at my local dollar shop. I got 3 for $4. You'll need a little bit of cardboard or something to slide in. This is a bit of cardboard I've cut from an old cereal box and I've wrapped it in cling film. I'm just going to slide that inside. That's just so that the two sides don't stick together. Like that. You'll need some cute Christmas images, Christmas serviettes or paper napkins. I think I'll go with that one today. You'll need a couple of sponge dabbers, a paintbrush for your glue, so you'll need glue as well, some paint. I've got white paint, silver and blue today. You'll need a tiny bit of cling film, and to make the project super quick you'll need a hairdryer or a heat gun if you have one. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, get a bit of white paint. Make sure you've got your cardboard or plastic inside and just dab some paint on the surface. This is where your image is going to go over the top. Then to make that dry fast, grab your hairdryer. Okay, so that's pretty dry. So I'm just going to pop that to the side. I'm going to grab my image. You can see I've used one from here before. And I like to get a little bit of water with a brush just to go around my image. It just makes it a little bit easier to tear out. Just like that. I'll move that out of the way. So my image is going to sit just there on the front. And I'm going to remove the bottom 2 layers of the paper napkin. So I'm just left with the top translucent layer. And I'll grab my glue. I had a little bit of trouble getting that open. Pop my glue straight onto the surface there. Position my image just gently. Get a little bit of cling film. Just to help me smooth that down. Like so. And then you're going to get a little bit more glue and go over the top. And then grab hold of your hairdryer again and dry that off. Okay, so that's pretty dry now. So I'm just going to go back in now with a bit of white paint around the edges, just to give it that snowy look. And then I'm going to take a touch of silver and blue. Just a tiny bit of blue. Just a bit of blue to make it look a little bit wintry. And I'll go in with a little bit of silver. And then you just grab your hairdryer one last time and dry that off. That's pretty much dry. And you just take out your cardboard. And there you have it. Super cute little Christmas tote bags, which you can slip a little present in. There's some with ducks. That's one with a squirrel. Yeah, so that's a really quick little Christmas craft. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe and watch out for more videos. Thanks for watching.